In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that I no longer waste my money on. Like, I don't buy them, like not every time. Only when it's really called for, when I can't live without them. And number 1 is bottled water. For sure, the market is saturated with a lot of brands of bottled water, each with its own price, targeting a specific group. So you can't escape them. But if you do the mathematics over a week, over a month, you can realize that you waste a lot of money on buying this bottled water. If you can, in one way, get a bottle and cook your water from home in your room or your home and then pack it and drink from that. But when you buy bottled water, you will really waste a lot of money. And then number 2 is hair, like haircuts. I personally, I do my own haircut. I trim them. It's on rare occasions that I go to the salon, then the barber takes my money. But if not that, I usually do it myself, and I can save a little. Yes, I know these hacks won't help you become rich overnight, but they treat you like they teach you how to save money, like that discipline within you. I don't waste money on haircuts. I do them my own self. Then these next 2, I know it's really hard, especially for teenagers. You're always excited about getting one of them and giving in all you have so that you get them. But if you do, at least you've been warned. Yeah. The next one is the new phones. I don't waste money on new phones because they turn out to be really, really expensive depending on how the market is valuing them. So if you can save that money and you can even better, you can get a better phone brand than this one with that money, or at a lower price, and you save some few shillings on them. But don't waste money on buying new phones. I really don't. Yeah, like my phone I'm having, I bought it when it's not new on the market and at a lower price. Then the 4th thing is relationship. I don't know how many people want to hear this, but don't waste your money on relationships. It's not worth it. If your partner can't understand, then better leave, because for how long will you make her or him excited? You can't. Like, human beings are insatiable. You can't fulfill everyone's desire. So if the relationship turns out to be expensive, better leave. Leave. Don't leave and run for your life. Then the last one, which is number 5, it's not more of like buying, but it's an experience. Like, personally, I don't travel on an empty stomach, because, well, you waste a lot of money along the way, especially on long trips. As a teenager, you can be excited to really experience it, buying new stuffs that are edible along the way, knowing their taste. It's not bad if it was among your goals, but if it wasn't within your plans, better travel after eating. Like, get something and fill your stomach, because you waste a lot of money. Even if it's going to shopping, you've gone to shop your food stuff, but you end up buying the food you have to eat, and then the food you have to eat. I don't know whether you get me. Yeah. So those are the 5 things that I don't waste my money on. Thank you for watching my video, and let's keep around for the next videos. If it turns out to be good, please consider subscribing to my channel and like the video, so to help the algorithm run and we expand to a wider audience. Thank you.